Hey my lovelies, welcome back. So today I'll be doing something for the very first time. It was my birthday coming up and I just wanted to get my nails looking right. So I'll be trying the polygel nails for the very first time. I've seen it all over Instagram and YouTube and decided that I wanted to give it a go. So I'll be using the Choi polygel nail kit, and it came with 3 different colors of polygel, and then it came with some other bits and pieces. For example, it came with some nails, some dual forms, and it also came with some files as well. So the first thing I'll be doing is just roughing up my nails. I'm not filing them down a lot. I am just roughing them up a bit. Then I'm going to push my cuticles back before I apply the primer. Okay guys, so I bought a primer, a base coat, and a top coat from the brand called Modelones, because you do not get it in this set. And you have to make sure that you have all of these before you proceed with your polygel. So I'm going to leave it on the screen. The brand is called Modelones and I got it from Amazon as well, which is where I got all the pieces that I'm using in this video. So as you can see, I am pushing my cuticles back before I apply the primer. Okay guys, so after filing my nails and pushing my cuticles back, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the primer, and I left that on for at least 40 seconds to let it dry and soak in. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some base coat before applying my polygel. Okay guys, so after applying my base coat, I put it under the lamp and cured it for at least for 60 seconds. Now I've already done my left nails, but I just wanted to show you how I prepped my fingers before adding the polygel. So what I'm doing on my right hand now is just preparations, and then I'm going to move into showing you how I apply the polygel nails. Okay guys, so I had to buy the spatula and the brush differently. So I have the spatula, and then that cork you see on the table, that is a little bit of alcohol because you will need it to help you to saturate your brush. Now you're going to squeeze out the polygel onto the spatula, and then you put the polygel inside the nails. Do it small amount at a time because you don't want it to be clunky. So you dip your brush into the alcohol and then you start to spread out the polygel into the nails. You have to take your time and make sure that it's evenly spread out. Start with a small amount and then you just start to spread it out evenly. When you use the alcohol, it helps you to spread out the gel very easily. So I'm making sure to spread it out and making sure that there are no like sparse areas, and I want to make sure that it has enough in that part of the nail that I'm going to stick onto my natural nails. So I'm just building it up and watching the amount as I go along. Alright guys, so I'm going to stick down the polygel onto my nails. You have to make sure that it's sticked on properly, and the excess that's spilling out at the sides, you take your brush, your damp brush, ever so damp, you don't want it to be really wet. So you use that bit and just take off the excess from around your nails, and make sure as well guys that you turn your nail around as you see me do just now, and spread out. As you can see there, you spread out the gel, because if you don't do that, it's going to be really clumpy under your nails and it's going to be really hard to sort of file. So make sure that you spread it out underneath your nails as well. Okay, so after you've done that bit and you're satisfied with how it looks, you put that nail underneath the lamp and cure it for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so after curing the nail for 60 seconds, you're going to go ahead and rock that dual form, the nail on top. You're going to rock it from side to side ever so gently. It doesn't hurt or anything. You're going to rock it from side to side, and that's how you take off the dual form from the polygel. And after you've done that, you're going to go ahead and use a file to shape it to the desired length and shape that you want. And that's as easy as it is, guys. It's not exactly difficult, but it just took a lot of time because it was my first time doing it and I don't know much about nails. So I'm filing my nails right now to the style that I like. Okay, so after you've filed all the nails down to the shape and the style you like, you're going to go ahead and add some top coat to all your nails, and then you're going to cure your nails again for another 60 seconds. Guys, I must say that this took me over 3 hours to get done because, as I said, I'm not very good with nails and it was my first time doing polygel nails, but I think it was worth it because I was pleased with the result and it wasn't difficult at all. It was just a bit, challenging here and there, especially when you want to make sure that the gel is, nicely spread out and it doesn't leave any kind of clumpiness. You have to make sure that it isn't clumpy, and that's why you need some alcohol as well to make sure that it helps you to spread out the gel very easily. But take your time and watch a lot of YouTube videos and you will learn easily how to do this type of nails. I promise you it's not difficult and it's a great way of getting your nails done on a budget. Okay, so here we go again. We are going to cure those nails again for 60 seconds after applying the top coat. Here we are, guys. These are the results of my polygel nails. I'm quite pleased with them, knowing that it's my first time doing my nails myself. I always just paint my nails and go, but I didn't want to go to the salon because I just don't want to deal with the whole situation at the moment, so I decided to do them myself and I'm pleased with the results. It did take me a while because I had no idea what I was doing, but I watched a couple of videos and I tried to learn as I go along. So I'm quite pleased with myself, guys, and I know that you can do them as well. If you try, you can get them done. So there are my nails. I'm so pleased and I love the colors as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I do hope you found this helpful. Do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on my nails. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe, of course. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love my nails. Look at them. So cute. Thanks for watching.